Presenting the new Redmi Note 10s. It is available in 3 different colors: frost white, deep sea blue and shadow black. The phone comes in 2 variants, 6GB RAM and 64GB memory, and the other variant comes in 6GB RAM and 128GB memory. Memory can be expanded up to 512GB. This phone is dual SIM capable with dual standby, 4G plus 4G. It is a 6.43-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display. It has a resolution of 1080 x 2040 pixels with 20:9 aspect ratio. It has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for security. The phone is equipped with quad camera setup. Main camera has 64 megapixel lens. There is 8 megapixel ultra-wide with 118-degree field of view (FOV), 2 megapixel tele-macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor. Front camera is in display with 13 megapixel. The phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G95 octa-core 12nm processor with up to 2.05 GHz clock speed. Operating system is Android 11. It comes with 5000 mAh battery bundled with 33-watt fast charger in box, which boosts the charging speed as well as provides great battery backup. The box includes Redmi Note 10s, power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card, user guide, clear soft case, screen protector pre-applied on the phone. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.